Hindi na kami nahatid kasi walk zone tong Airbnb namin. Doon lang kami sa kanto binaba. Ang ina. Sea Dreams. Quick room tour. Habang di pa magulo. May view kami ng sea. So, ito yung port. Mga nag-island hopping. Nandito kami sa mismong town proper. Tingnan natin ang CR.
May balcony.
Told ya. Yeah. Wala siyang heater. Pero yeah, malinis naman. No foul smell. And may balcony. Sea Dreams. Gago, katapat na natin kakayaking na. So, ito kasi yung gusto namin puntahan. So, katapat lang pala namin yung Cafe Athena. Check. So, pupunta na kami sa Almeida Bayview. Nasa swim and dine lang kami. Yun lang yung itinerary namin for today. Cute ng mga trek. Wow. Wow. So, ito yung kinuha namin na food. Sinting wala pa. This is the view at night. Nakain ko na bago ko ma-vlog. Ang tawag dito, chicken schnitzel. Sa kanya, chori-chori. Parang curry siya. Tapos nag-lychee cocktail lang ako. And sa kanya, the Godfather. Sarap na to. Tapos may kasama siyang ganito. Hummus tsaka fries.
Oh my god, go for the first time in your life.
Solid. fish, di ba? Di ba nakalagay na dun sa itinerary? Aww. Mamaya, dinner, fried chicken tayo. Pupunta kami sa Secret Lagoon.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
Kakaiba na yung kulay ng tubig dito. Medyo... hindi kasi nagpa-flow yung tubig. Ganda lang ng taas. Dito sa loob nito yung Secret Lagoon. Ayan.
Just wanna have some fun.
Sorry.
I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
Before heading back to the hotel. Bakit sa'yo ang cute ng baso? Bakit sa akin normal? Sarap. Sa akin KitKat and M&M's. Sa kanya Oreo and M&M's. Shoot guys, hindi na tayo lalabas? Busog ka na. Ako siomay lang. So, siomay kami. Kuya, isang siomay rice, saka isang siomay plain. Where tayo? Sa kakasa. Japanese queen. It's okay, Aki here. Dito kami napunta. Last na talaga. Ano oras na? 11:40. Ayun pala. Thank you. Ito yung dessert namin habang nanonood ng Can't Buy Me Love. Can't Buy Love. Cute nila, oh. Naka-pajama. Ba't conjuring? Baka may magpakita pa. Ito na. Another night, another prep. Day 3. We're going to touristy.
Place above. Everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up?
May malaking putas dyan, ah.
And I've been standing on these highlights, waiting till the time's
It's not a secret anymore.
Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake up when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be a fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming
Island
that you
hopping doon. Empty na. Umuwi na yung mga tao. Yeah, tara. Ano mas malaki? Ito sa akin. Baby! Sa akin yan! Bala ka, hindi ko maubos yan. Sa akin yan! Last dinner sa LBO.
Sunod naman sa part of it.
So, napunta kami sa Wheel Nags. Wala namang space sa Big Bad Thai. Kakainis. Finally, makakapag-gelato na kami. Hello. Last night in El Nido. The last time. Banana Nutella naman this time. Yum. Ah! Grabe siya! Yung stay namin. So, ito yung Cafe Athena.